The Gadgetry Guide's 2-Minute Tech Tuesday Mostly Camera Edition kicks off with the DJI Mavic Air. The much rumored about drone was leaked Monday, one day before its launch. The leaked specs include a 32 megapixel sensor capable of spherical and panoramic photos and 4K 60 frames per second video. A 21-minute flight time will put this 9 minutes below the Mavic Pro Platinum, and the price is rumored to be between the $499 Spark and the $999 Mavic Pro. Google created a patch which will fix a bug that slowed down Wi-Fi networks connected to both Android and Chromecast built-in devices. The bug incorrectly sends a large amount of network traffic, which can slow down Wi-Fi networks. The fix has been issued through a Google Play service update. Grado, the New York-based headphone company, is developing a series of wireless headphones to go with their vintage appealed wired lines. Hasselblad is releasing a 400 megapixel camera that takes 2.4 gigabyte still photos. It will retail for a measly $47,995. Kodak is bringing back the Super 8 camera and pairing it with a new online platform called Kodak Darkroom, so you can view your digital footage before it gets sent back in the mail. Be prepared to drop $3K on this, so you may drop additional amounts of money to see your footage days later. That'll do it for this 2-Minute Tech Tuesday. Be sure to like and subscribe for more news, how-tos, and reviews.